growing Coontie from seed. Planting Coontie seeds is easy to do, but the question is whether you should. More than 50 species of Zamia or Coontie are native to warm regions of North and South America. Coonties are a type of gymnosperm known as cycad, and cycad fossils date back before the dinosaurs to about 300 million years ago. The Coontie is a tough, woody cycad that's drought tolerant. It grows as a perennial in USDA growth zone 8B to 11. While the plant is easy to grow, I want to caution you as it is toxic to dogs and humans. All of the plant is poisonous, and it just takes a few seeds to kill a dog. I would not recommend that you plant it anywhere where your dogs have access, or even kids. The bright orange seeds are just too tempting for little hands. Coonties are expensive because of their slow growth rate, and they look good and are planted many places, especially in public areas, which is kind of weird, right? So if you're out walking the dog or take the kids to the playground anywhere in Florida and warm regions, keep an eye out for the dangers that, unbeknownst to many, are lurking in the polished landscapes near parks, parking lots, businesses, and playgrounds. Before we move on, I want to take a moment to thank all of you for watching and to ask you to please hit that like button and subscribe. It's a great way to support our channel so that we can keep on making more videos for all of you. So after all of this, if you still want to grow your own Coontie from seeds, here's the way to do it without handling them too much. I've got 10 steps for you to follow. Number 1, make sure you wear gloves when collecting and handling Coontie seeds. Collect Coontie seeds in winter or early spring when they're new and bright orange and when the seed cones are fully open. I'm going to show you what they look like. Here in Florida we have Coonties everywhere because they're so heat tolerant, and they're often used in landscaping because of that reason. But I am looking at a big Coontie patch right here, and I'm going to try to see if I can find some seeds for you guys. It is midsummer and it's not really the time to find the seeds, but I did spot some. They're not fresh. You want to try to get fresh seeds if you can, but it should work still. Just pick them up, bring them home, and keep them away from your animals because they're toxic to cats and dogs. You can see the seed pod. That's what you're gonna look for, and then you'll get the orange seeds. And when they're fresh, that's the best time to harvest them, to bring them home. You can see another area where you can see the seeds. They're bright orange. They cannot be missed. Just have some sort of container you can bring them home in. Step 3, store the seeds away from kids and animals. Step 4, let them dry for a month or 2. Here you can see some seeds that I picked a few months ago, and they've been drying in this container that I hid away from everyone. Step 5, plant the seeds in a pot and cover with about ½ inch to 1 inch of soil. You can see I have some down there already. I'm just going to put the rest out, just spread them around. You don't even have to use your hands. Notice how, because I had it in a container, I never even touched them. And then you just cover them up with some soil, water them in. And there we go. That's all there is to it. Step 6, store the pots away from kids and animals. Step 7, make sure the pots get indirect light. You can see I put them in here in the light next to the elderberries. We did a video about them not too long ago, and they're coming back. They look good actually. Of course, don't forget your plant tags. I have a temporary plant tag right here. Then when they come up, I put a permanent plant tag in there. Step 8 is when you see the seeds start sprouting. They usually sprout around 6 weeks or so. That leads us to step 9. Once your Coontie plants have emerged, you can put them in part sun, at full sun, and they'll thrive. There is one little caveat when it comes to Coontie plants though. They grow very, very slowly. And if you put them in small pots and keep them in small pots, which is what we did with these, they will not grow very much at all. These Coontie plants were just repotted a few weeks ago, but believe it or not, they're actually 1 or 2 years old. They were just in very small pots and needed to be repotted, and we forgot about them. So if you want to keep your Coontie small, keep it in a very tiny pot. If you want to make it big faster, make sure that it has lots of space to spread out its roots, or it will remain small. If you want to learn how to make more plants out of the plants you already own, check out our playlist, Make More Plants. You can check the garden tips, and don't forget to check out our main channel page where we have lots of different playlists so that you can find something just for you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Save the video so that you can come back and watch it later, and share the video with plant loving friends. Thank you for watching, and thank you for making the world a little greener.